Well, g'day guys, welcome back to the channel and another video, this time the first off-road trip with the new P38. So as you saw a couple videos ago, we just picked up this BMW M57 swap Range Rover P38. It's our new tow wagon and daily, and of course we can't help it. I know I said I wouldn't, but we all knew that wasn't the truth. We're taking it off-roading. So behind me is Old Le Bon's track. I've not done this track for probably 3 years. Last time I did it was Lando with twin lockers and 32's, but it had been snowing, so it was pretty entertaining. Had a bit of a challenge right at the top. It's a lot drier today, but it's still not completely dry, so it'll be interesting to see how we go, especially with these tyres. The tyres are a little bit worn, certainly not ideal, so it should be entertaining. We'll see how we get on. We've got the ground anchor. We've got a winch, so worst case we should be able to get ourselves out of pretty much any pickle, touch wood. Anyway, that's enough talking, let's get straight into the track. Smells like a bit of burnt rubber. It's been a while since it's been a long time since I've had a full drive with average tyres. Obviously Lando's got Silverstones and that's pretty much all I drive in, so it's unusual having to pedal it on, you know, stuff usually I'd idle up, but that was fun. It certainly makes it easy with all the power just to scoot on up there. But anyway, we'll continue on and go see what else there is to find.
Righto guys, it's also just started to spit, so could get a little bit greasy continuing on from here. Hopefully it doesn't develop into actual rain, but yeah, we'll see how we go.
Right guys, well as you saw we just came up this section, but it's a really cool photo spot, so Matt just reversed the truck back down, but truck's going good other than the fact that it's got not much tread and open diffs. Goes good. It's a little grubby and the rain's still coming down, so certainly only going to make this track more interesting as we go. I'd say we're probably about halfway up. Anyway, you want to give it a bootful, Matt?
Oh, just for you, mate.
Ah dear, it's a cool sounding truck, that's for sure. Well guys, I tell you what, the old slides, probably not the ideal shoe choice for this slippery clay, but it's good fun. Real good fun, this clay. Anyway, this is what we've got ahead of us. This is where it starts to get a little bit harder. It doesn't look too bad, but it's just a bit rutted out. Right, have fun. Alright guys, what a view. That is stunning. Anyway, we're nearly at the end of the track. The last challenging bit is coming up. It's just the big climb up and out. Basically, switch back followed by a wet slippery climb, so it'll be interesting. So we'll see how we get on. Alright guys, well that's it for another video. Hope you enjoyed. We certainly had a lot of fun. Bit of a different track, obviously without a snorkel on the Rangy there's not an awful lot of tracks we can do locally, so it was it was good to go and do something different, test it out. Certainly struggles a little bit without a centre diff lock, doing the one tyre fire a little bit, but that's all good. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like, leave a comment down below, and make sure to hit subscribe to stay tuned for heaps more. We'll catch you all in the next one. Cheers for watching, see you then.
Hello? Can I help you?